Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Harley Davidson FLHT Electra Glide Standard. This one's got ABS brakes, liquid cooling, 107 cubic inch, fuel injected, cruise control, AM FM stereo, Bluetooth, connects up to your phone. Beautiful condition, only 4,600 miles on this gorgeous Electra Glide Standard. Come on by, make your Harley Davidson dreams come true for just $19,999. This bike is gorgeous. It's got a lot of nice upgrades, road lights. It's got those lowers on the engine guards. Come on by and check it out. Make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. It's got the Milwaukee 8 4-valve per cylinder engine. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.